Zoisha.
Hey guys, my battery's about to die too, but I just want to let you guys know the reason why y'all haven't seen me, okay, is because first of all, my free paper bun, my free paper bun up as of Monday this week. What is today? Today is the 12th, so whatever Monday was, I'm go back at work, right? So I'm back to 2 works. Anyways, Monday and Tuesday are Monday and Friday are the only 2 days where I'm not working a double shift. So anyways, yeah, apart from that, Father's Day is coming up. As you guys know, I have a business on the side. I have one next one where I come up, yeah. Like ling ling not open. Sure. Hey, did I say it's your favorite girl Zoisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel? Where's my manners? But anyways, yeah, as I said, it's Father's Day, so I have a whole bunch. Listen, God is just a blessing, okay? Like, I have so many things coming up. Not necessarily so many things, but I have so much orders. Like, every day, like, I'm answering so many DMs. Like, can you make this? Can you make that? Can you do this? Can you do that? Yes, I can. Holla at me, okay? Now I'm doing the shipping for my shirts. So if you guys are interested in any of my shirts or anything like that, anything personalized, other than glassware, I haven't really gotten to shipping off those type of things yet, but yeah, like shirts and stuff like that, got you guys, whatever. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm working on, is a whole bunch of Father's Day stuff. I have Father's Day gift baskets. I have Father's Day cups, you know what I'm saying? One of my good friends, Dirty 30, is coming up, so I'm doing her loot bags and getting her birthday party stuff ready, because I'm pretty much the host and planner for that. Yeah, like more orders and stuff. Like, I just got in from the store. I have more orders and stuff to do. Like, yo girl, I'm literally just walking on my house. I finished work 3:30 and now the time is 6:59. Okay, so I'm about to go eat something really quick because it's gonna be a long night. I got so much things that I need to like get out of the way, because I don't want to leave everything until next week, because her birthday party is next weekend, and I just want to be focused on all of that kind of stuff, because it's taking a lot out of me to get stuff done for her birthday party, and I have a lot of stuff that I have to do to go towards that. So yeah, if you guys are interested, especially if you guys are in the GTA and you guys are looking for like somebody to assist you with your event needs and stuff like that, holla at me, okay? Same thing on Instagram, all wrapped up. If not, and you want a t-shirt or you want something personalized, you know what I'm saying, for an event or whatever the case may be, holla at me, I got you. Oh no, I'm not gonna put this on my numbers on it, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll come back and show you guys what I'm working on and stuff like that, because I was supposed to do a DIY for you guys. I'm not going to be able to do it anytime soon in regards to the acrylic signs, but I have to do one for her birthday, or a few for her birthday actually. So I might just show y'all the process and then actually come back and like do like a full-blown tutorial about that. We'll see how I feel, because who knows, this may not lead to anywhere. This may be just the beginning to her birthday vlog, because I'm gonna be vlogging then after I done cook and do the whole 9 yards for that. But yeah, peace out. Good morning, welcome guys, welcome back. Continuation from yesterday. Good morning. I went to my bed kind of late yesterday because I was getting some ish done, as I mentioned in the previous clip. So I managed to get all the pictures in the frames. I actually just did the makeup bags, so I'll show you guys that in a second. But pretty much what I'm doing for her, it's her Dirty 30, so I've included pictures. Let me show mine, because I don't want to show anybody else's face. But I included a picture of her with all the girls that are gonna be there. I have a million of these, so I didn't need to include one in mine, but I'll just include one, so when everybody's opening it, everybody feels like they got the same thing. But a mirror, I gotta put everyone's initials in the top. Like when you open it, I'm gonna put their initials in it. She wanted to give everybody her favorite condoms. So Dirty 30, guys. I think I'm gonna add some eyelashes on these sleep masks. A cute little bag. I got her these cards to like write messages for all her guests. And what else? These wine glasses are gonna be for her. I just printed the decals to go on it. So I'm gonna put these cute little decals on it as well as our names. And then this is what we're gonna be using at the party. So yeah. So then one of my Father's Day gifts that I was up making was this rolling tray. I've been seeing these around the internet for a few months now, and I've been dying to make one. So when a person reached out to me and said that they wanted a Father's Day gift for their man, he is a smoker, so I was like, yo, let me make this. So it was a lot of work, because yeah, it was a lot of work, but I'm really happy with the turnout. This was my first time making this. Babe seen it and he's like, now he wants one. So I'll be making it again, but really nice. I'll get better as I go along, but for my first try, this is pretty amazing. So I'm gonna add this to my business as an item that I will be selling. So I did this. I also did like a weed jar, like where you can put your weed in it. And then I did this for the ashtray. And then the last thing that I have to add to that is a lighter. Yeah, so my barbecue dad basket, I have to complete that. My car wash kit, I do this every year for somebody. I have to complete that. What else? So these are the makeup bags. I literally just finished them. I still have the transfer paper on it. I just have to take those off. So all the girls are gonna get this. Everything is gonna be put in this. She got us underwear, so I'm just gonna put them in there when she drops them off, hopefully later today. Yeah, so cute, right? And then I did these shirts this morning. I love the foil gold. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I did that, and then I have another set of shirt orders to do. I actually have 2 more to go and grab because I have another order to do as well. Where we at? I'm watching this show on Netflix called, this series on Netflix called 50. It's an African one, pretty cool. But yeah, this is the theme that I'm going to be doing for the Dirty 30. I'm going to be putting the bra and the panty on the glass, and then their names like right there, and yeah, this oar right here, and then this will be the cups that we will be using. Hey babe. And he's right here, and my battery's gonna die, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay. Oh, what's that? Don't resist Oh shit! What? Give it a little taste. Give it a little taste. Yes, birthday girl. Bomba clad. Bomba. What? What? Hey, you want a bit of detail? What? Yeah. What yo? I know so. Talk truth. What yo? I feel everything in me. Breathe more, breathe, baby, coming at me. Kamisha, I feel good though. Oh shit, never mind. Ball out! Ball out! I can't do. You're not ball out. Bomba clad. Oh boy. Bomba clad. Yes, got it. Yo! Hey! Hey! I cannot deal, oh! Yes, girl. Papa. What's your? Me Yo, did you really think it was the police?